Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
How are you?
I am good. How about you?
I'm fine. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
What are you doing now?
I'm making breakfast. Want some?
What's for breakfast?
Pancakes and coffee.
That sounds great. Can I help?
Sure, you can set the table.
What's your plan for today?
I have a meeting, then I'm free.
Do you want to watch a movie later?
Yes, that sounds fun.
What movie do you want to watch?
How about a romantic comedy?
Do you like romantic movies?
I love them. Do you?
Yes, I like them too.
Great. We can watch one tonight.
What time is your meeting?
It's at 11 a.m.
Will you be back for lunch?
Yes, I'll be back by 1 p.m.
What do you want for lunch?
Maybe a sandwich or salad.
Do you want to go for a walk later?
Yes, a walk sounds nice.
Where do you want to walk?
Let's walk by the lake.
What's your favorite place?
I love the beach.
Do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, I would love that.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I like pizza.
Maybe we can have pizza for dinner?
That's a great idea.
Do you want to make it together?
Yes, let's make it from scratch.
It'll be fun.
Do you cook often?
Not really, but I like to cook with you.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I like making desserts.
Do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a dog.
What kind of dog do you want?
Maybe a Labrador.
Dogs are so cute.
Yes, they are loyal too.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they're very independent.
Have you had a pet before?
Yes, I had a fish when I was little.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to go to Japan.
Why Japan?
I love their culture and food.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, it's one of my favorites.
What's your favorite drink?
I like iced tea. What about you?
I like coffee.
We should go to a cafe sometime.
That sounds nice. Do you have a favorite cafe?
Yes, it's near the park.
What do you usually order?
I like cappuccino.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I like both, but coffee more.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every night.
What's your favorite book?
I love mystery novels.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I'm watching a series now.
What series are you watching?
It's a crime drama. Very interesting.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly.
What's your favorite workout?
I like running.
Do you want to go for a run together?
Yes, I would like that.
When do you usually run?
I run in the mornings.
Do you like morning runs?
Yes, it's peaceful and refreshing.
Do you play any sports?
I play tennis sometimes.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, it's a fun way to stay fit.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching soccer.
Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, but they don't always win.
Do you watch soccer often?
Only the big matches.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to paint and draw.
Are you good at painting?
I'm not great, but I enjoy it.
What do you usually paint?
I paint landscapes.
Do you like art?
Yes, I love going to art galleries.
Do you have a favorite artist?
I like Van Gogh.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue. What about you?
I love red.
Red is a bold color.
Do you wear a lot of red?
Sometimes, but not too much.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but I don't shop too often.
What do you like to buy?
I like buying clothes and shoes.
Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, it's more convenient.
What's the last thing you bought?
I bought a new jacket.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's very comfortable.
Do you like the rain?
I love rainy days, especially at home.
What do you do on rainy days?
I like to watch movies or read.
Do you ever dance in the rain?
No, but it sounds fun.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love being outside when it's sunny.
Do you wear sunscreen?
Yes, it's important for my skin.
Do you like the snow?
Yes, I love how peaceful it looks.
Do you go skiing?
I've tried it, but I'm not very good.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring. It's not too hot or cold.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers, especially tulips.
Do you have a garden?
No, but I'd love to have one someday.
Do you like picnics?
Yes, they're fun and relaxing.
What do you usually bring to a picnic?
Sandwiches, fruits, and drinks.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, it's a great way to be in nature.
Where do you like to hike?
There's a trail near the mountains I like.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, they're beautiful and peaceful.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I like both, but the beach more.
Do you swim?
Yes, I love swimming.
What's your favorite thing to do at the beach?
I love walking by the shore.
Do you like sunsets?
Yes, they're so romantic.
What's the most romantic thing we've done?
Our picnic under the stars.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, but only good surprises.
Do you like giving gifts?
Yes, I love making people happy.
What's the best gift you've received?
A necklace my grandma gave me.
What's the best gift you've given?
A scrapbook of our memories.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to it every day.
What's your favorite song?
It changes, but right now, I like pop music.
Do you play any instruments?
I used to play the guitar.
Do you still play?
Not much, but I'd like to start again.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I love live music.
Have you been to a concert recently?
Yes, I saw a band last month.
Do you want to go to a concert together?
Yes, that would be so fun.
What kind of music do you want to see live?
Maybe rock or indie music.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, but I'm not very good at it.
Would you dance with me?
Of course, I'd love to.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Why Christmas?
I love the decorations and family time.
Do you like giving gifts at Christmas?
Yes, it's fun to surprise people.
What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Decorating the tree together.
Do you like Halloween?
Yes, dressing up is fun.
What was your last costume?
I dressed up as a pirate.
Do you like scary movies?
Yes, but only with someone to hold my hand.
Do you like parties?
Yes, but I prefer small gatherings.
Do you prefer staying in or going out?
I like both, depending on my mood.
What's your idea of a perfect date?
A nice dinner and a walk under the stars.
Do you like going to restaurants?
Yes, trying new food is exciting.
Do you prefer home-cooked meals?
Yes, they feel more personal.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream.
Do you like chocolate cake?
Yes, it's one of my favorites.
Do you want to bake together?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they're relaxing.
What do you do when you're bored?
I usually read or watch TV.
Do you ever feel bored with me?
Never. We always have fun together.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!